Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So yesterday we had another very wonderful day. We had made very good profit based on our all 3C method as well as our MST iCore 2.0 normal trading methods. I have received one comment from one of our YouTube subscriber that YouTube video is not having a quality. So if you feel that the quality is not good, please keep in your settings high quality, always advanced high quality videos, so that you will get in a HD mode. So it based on your internet speed. If the internet speed is very less, so you will get that very low quality video. If it is having good speed, you will be getting HD video. So we are posting the HD video only, but it will be converted based on your internet. And we are also trying to get advanced system with a very good mic. Okay, now I'm simply recording from the laptop mic, so that you might feel some noise, background noise. So soon we will be rectifying it. Thank you for your valuable comments. We will be considering for it. Okay, now before I continue, if you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe. Even if you are watching for so many times without subscribing, please first subscribe, then watch our videos. Also share the videos, Telegram link to all your beloved ones who are into trading. Now always we try to show you BANKNIFTY first, because most of the people they are into BANKNIFTY trading. Now coming back here, we all know, so I don't have to repeat what we have to do initially. What is the procedure, right? The procedure is very simple. What you have to do, first you have to subscribe to our indicator. You can select any plan. So now RD offer is going on with unlimited lifetime validity. So whichever plan you want, you can choose it. Next one, go on to this website tradingview.com. You can use in mobile phone, you can use in your laptop, you can use in system, you can use in your tab, whichever computer mode you are having, that mode you can use it. There is no restriction. So this is multi-platform system. While on driving, while on going to office also, you can watch the indicator, you can trade based on it. So now how to add the indicator? So after subscribing to your indicator, go to indicators. See here, this is the TradingView platform. Here if you click, you will be getting indicators, metrics and strategies. Click on it. Then go to TradingView. Go to the indicators. Here, invite only scripts. So in the invite only scripts, you will be finding all the indicators whichever has been allotted to you. Whichever has been allotted to you, that will be available there. So now we are giving this advanced August version, 2023 August version MST iCore 2.0. Just give one click on it. Just give one click on it. That's all. Automatically your indicator will be added to your chart. Clear? After that, what you have to do, come here to the settings of the indicator, scroll down. Here you can see default settings. Okay, default. Click on it and give reset settings before you start that trading for the day. And some people may complain that, sir, in your chart these letters are there, like MST iCore 2.0, second buy, first sell, first buy, second sell are there, but in my system after adding the indicator it is not coming. So you might be complaining, many are complaining. For that, what you have to do, click on the top bottom, right bottom. See here, bottom side, right side, bottom right side. If you click, there will be an engine button, that is called a settings button. Click on it. Then labels will come. In the labels, select these two options, indicator and financial name labels, and indicators and financial value labels. Okay, if we click on these two, see here, already I have clicked, now I have removed it. So these labels are gone now. Once again I am clicking on to the values also. Now both are gone. So once you subscribe to indicator, initially it will look like this one only. So now go here, labels, indicator financial labels. Now the labels have come. Another, if you want the values of it, just click on it. That's all. These are the initial steps you have to do. So if you are having doubts, please watch the video once again, then you will get the clear knowledge. Okay. Now yesterday I have told in the group, WhatsApp group as well as in the Telegram group, that I am waiting for 45,300 put option buy entry. Here I said, you can check in the Telegram. Okay. Why I said 45,300 put option buy I am going to buy? There are two reasons. First reason is, look at the first candle, second candle and the third candle. So we all know that we are following the indicator along with one strategy, that is called as R3C. That is called as R3C. Okay. What is an R3C? Previous trend should be a buy trend. This is a buy trend. And then there should be a rejection candle. A candle is struggling to close above the resistance level. See, this candle is not closing above that, and the candle body size is very small than the wick. Okay, so now we can confirm this as the rejection candle. And immediately next candle also a doji candle, that is also looking like a rejection candle. And the third candle is a confirmation candle, that is a red candle. Now mark the highest high and lowest low of these two candles. Okay, now these green lines are the highest high and lowest low. It is automatically formed. After that, what you have to do, when the low of the third candle is broken, we have to go for the third entry. Okay, so in yesterday's case I have chosen the second candle itself. So okay, so when the second candle low is broken at 9:25, I decided that market is going to fall. Market is going to fall. So I was ready with the retracement at our IIT1, that is 45,333. So that I have chosen the strike price 45,300 call option as well as 45,300 put option. So here when the market is reversing here, I had taken 45,300 put option at 140. Then after that market was choppy for few minutes, so it went some up and down, but I was waiting with this stop loss in my spot value. So my first target was our first buy zone. Okay, first buy zone was 45,192, first target. This was my first target. After coming to first target, here I noticed the big candle, Bahubali candle. Okay, it is an indication that market is going to fall when it is coming and touching our buy zone. This is one method. And another filtering method yesterday I used is, I just added BANKNIFTY dashboard from the indicators. Okay, BANKNIFTY dashboard. So there if you see, all the banks were in negative, all the banks including HDFC, all the banks were negative including HDFC. So it gave me another confidence that market is going to fall tremendously. So I did not take yesterday buy entry here. The same thing I want in the group also. See the candles which are touching. This candle is a Bahubali candle. This candle is Bahubali candle. This candle is also Bahubali candle. So if you had waited, suppose so that was the reason why I have chosen 45,300 PE from here, and I have booked very good profit, and the high made was around 600, from 140 to 600 it went. So it was very nice profit. After that, suppose if I had not followed this R3C method, what you would have done, you will be doing, when the market is coming down, here you will be buying 45,100 call option. Okay, then you will be waiting for the target. If the SL hit, you will be going for the reversal entry. So reversal entry is at 45,000 put option. So you will be taking 45,000 put option here. SL is not hit, so you will be waiting. So when see the fall from there all the targets hit. I am enabling the second sell targets. See here, all the targets hit from here to here, two targets perfectly hit. This is another confirmation for the fall. This is another R3C for the fall. Okay, I'm not saying how to keep in 5 minutes. You can keep in 15 minutes, 3 minutes, whichever you want, whichever you are comfortable to trade. So that side you can trade. See here, our values will not be changed. That is the beauty. If you are keeping 1 minute, value will not be changed. 5 minutes, not changed. Whatever values you are keeping, whatever time frame you are keeping, the value will not be changed accordingly. So it is for your better understanding only. Hope it is clear. So yesterday, even if you are trading blindly, no problem, we are in a profit, because our basic rule is if SL hit, we have to go for a reversal entry. That's all. If that also SL hit, we have to close the trading. So we can wait for the next day trading. It is very safest system which is available in the world. So next one, what is the next one we have to see? After Bank Nifty, it is always preferable to go with Nifty. Where is the Nifty? Nifty, please come fast. It's getting late. Market is about to open. Yeah, Nifty is here. So yesterday Nifty also performed the same. So since Nifty will not be having that much movement, so I am preferring to keep very tiny SL and very tiny targets. So for Bank Nifty also we can keep the same. See here Nifty, what happened yesterday? Here we got R3C pattern. We could we have to gone for the sell entry. Otherwise, first by SL hit, second sell activated, all the targets have been hit. Very simple. Whether market is trending market or non-trending market, choppy market, sideways market, this news comes, that news comes, we are not bothered about. Simply follow the system. Simply follow the rules and regulation. You will not be regretting. Coming back to our commodity, that is crude oil. Let us see what had happened in crude oil. So I will keep in 15 minutes for better clarity, because there is no changes in the value. For Nifty, for crude oil, you can keep in default settings. Okay, if you keep in a very tiny SL, then the SL will be only 9 to 10 points. So based on the movement of the market, you have to keep the SL and target. See here, see the accuracy. Morning open here. What is our basic rule? When the market is open, we have to wait for the lines to get formed. These lines to get formed. So I will just replay the bar replay here. I will just explain once again. So market has opened just now, and immediately, look at this, immediately our lines got formed. Top side 3 lines, bottom side 3 lines, in mid 3 lines are there. If the market is going first to the upper side, where it is, yeah, if the market is going to here, we have to sell. If the market is going to here, we have to buy. Very simple, right? So nowadays crude oil options trading also available. So what you can do, when the market is coming down, you can buy 6,700 call option. When the market is going here, you can buy 6,700 put option. How to select the strike price? Take the mid price, IIT1, brown color. Okay, so like that also you can trade. A mini also available now. You can take minimum 3 lots in the crude oil mini. Book the first target, book the first lot at the first target, book the second target at the second lot at the second target, third lot at the third target. So like that you can book it. Then see, now since what you have to do now, if sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell. That is the default one, basic rule. But if you want to trade again and again without bothering about your loss from the profit, then you can trade. See here, that's all. Sell activated, all the targets hit. Now sell to buy is our target, maximum target. After that, if you want, you can extend the target just by reversing the stop loss. So once again, here also we got R3C perfectly, and it has reached the sell zone. Again we got the entry, also R3C pattern, we got the profit. Again R3C at exactly at our sell zone, we are getting the targets perfectly hitting. After that, see this Bahubali candle. I have warned you, if you see the Bahubali candle, don't go for the entry immediately. Okay, that is an important concept you have to keep in mind. See, once again it has broken the second cell, targets hit. Once again it has reversed, again target hit. So now since sell activated, first we can consider sell. So remove the first buy, enable first sell, remove second sell, remove DCP and enable first sell target 4, first sell target 5, first sell target 6, then we can enable DTP. If you want, you can keep other things open, otherwise you can close. See, all the targets hit, but it is getting extended. So what I can do, simply I can keep it in 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. See, where we got the entry? Exactly at the higher level. Exactly at the higher level, topmost high, we got it. Topmost high, we got the entry. What it is? Crude oil. Yeah. American local. Okay. So at topmost high, we got the entry perfectly, and top bottom we have got. So all the targets have been hit. This up to 3 target is our target. Okay. All the targets have been hit. If you want, you can keep it in 1:3 ratio also for clarity. But how do we know everything? Before that, we don't know. Only thing is, we have to wait and watch. But if you know how to keep it, if you know how to hold with the stop loss, just keep revising your stop loss. Just keep revising your stop loss, because nobody knows in the market that market will come to this end, but we can predict, but we cannot say for sure. So hope it is clear. You have enjoyed the profit yesterday. If you have any doubts, please call us, please talk to us. We are ready to help you. And follow and practice R3C pattern. It is very useful method. And if you have any other filtering method also, please apply and you will get wonderful profit. So hope it is clear. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and give your valuable comments. Bye bye. All the best.